Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from Design Sense Software Technologies, and in this video I am going to show you the sheet cutter arbitrary command that we introduced in version 17.07 of CAD Power. If you go to the BOM BOQ tools, at the end you will find panel layouts and sizing, and within this you can find a new entry here called arbitrary sized sheet cutter. Click on that, and the first thing it asks you is the gap distance. So let's take it as 5. Select a polygon to cut. I'm going to select this polygon. Select first cut point, so you can choose any point as the first cut point. So if I choose a point somewhere here, you can see there is a yellow marker and a red marker. The red is where I picked and the yellow is the beginning of that segment, and it tells you the distance from the beginning. So it's 1408. You can round it off to any value you want or leave it as the default as well. So I take it as 1400, and next pick the second cut point. So I can pick any point here. Unlike the previous command, that is the sheet cutter command, in the arbitrary sheet cutter tool you can pick any point. So I pick some point here, and once again I see there is a green dot here and a red dot here. So the green is the beginning of the second segment, and this is the distance. So let us say I want it exactly at a distance of 1250. So it's already cut now. So what this command has done is it has taken a larger polygon and it has split it into two with a gap in between. You can see this is the 5 mm gap that I've given, and the highlighted part is now shown, and it's asking you what is the name. So I enter a name for it. Let us say this is A, and this is the next highlighted part, and it's asking the name again. So I put it as B. Enter or pick text height. So 100 is fine. So it's done now. You can see that the polygon is split into two as per your pick points, which are precisely specified at distances from the end of the segment, and the two sections have been named as A and B. You can do the same on polylines which have arcs as well. So which means I can pick a polyline with an arc. This is the first point at a distance of, let us say, 1000 from the end, and I want to cut some point here. So it's already cut. This is the first part. So let us say first part is 1 and the second part is 2 and the height is 100. Okay, so that's how this command works. It's a simple tool which people in the fabrication and design industry can probably use imaginatively to cut a larger polygon into two separate polygons precisely and with a gap as well. Let me know how this command works, and I look forward to your feedback. It's available in the BOM BOQ tools and complements the regular sheet cutter tool which we introduced in the previous version. So just to recap what the other command does, if you click on this, select a rectangle. In the previous case, the regular sheet cutter tool accepts only a rectangle. You can't choose a polygon with multiple sides, arcs and so on. The concept is the same. You select your point where you want to cut, and you have the option of selecting the second point or doing a symmetric cut. For example, if I say S, it becomes a symmetric cut. So I choose these two as R1 and R2. So you can see I have cut the polygon, I have cut the rectangle into two symmetric parts, R1 and R2, with the specified distance of 700 from the beginning. Okay, so I leave it to you to test this command and give me your feedback, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.